Welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the City of Sin. If you all are new to the channel, stop again for your first time. My name is Ryan. I will be your host as always, but today we're here at the Outback Steakhouse above the Casino Royale over by Harrah's on the Strip. So we're going to do lunch today at Outback Steakhouse. I ordered up the prime New York strip. I'll show you the menu here in a second. I got a Caesar side salad and some Aussie fries. One of my favorite things about the Outback though is their rye bread and their butter. This is absolutely delicious. One of my favorite things about this place. I've eaten here before with my dad. I know it's really good, so I will show you guys the menu and let you know how everything is today. I just got my Caesar side salad here, and I got all of my bread cut up and buttered over here. So I'm going to give everything a shot and see how everything tastes. Try my favorite part, bread and butter. That's really good. Just like always. Salad is good too, really crisp. Caesar dressing is really good, and the cheese is awesome too, and the croutons. Well, everything, the bread's really good, salad's really good. I'm not going to bore you with eating all this. I will eat this and then I will let you know once the main course gets out and let you see that, and we'll give it a taste test and see how everything is. Alright, sweet. My prime New York strip is out. My fries look absolutely delicious. I got some ketchup for the fries. So I'm going to give this a taste test and see how everything tastes. Alright, we're going to give everything a taste here. Taste everything, see how it is. Fries look really good. They have a nice crisp coating on it. So we're going to dip that in some of our ketchup. Nice, crisp, crunchy flavor right when you bite into the fries. Absolutely delicious. Nice, hot, warm, salty. Everything that you could want in a fry. Now we are going to try our New York strip here. The best part about these is you can practically just eat the whole thing. The fat is absolutely delicious. It just melts right on these. Oh my goodness. That is really good. Super tender, super moist. The fat gives the New York strip a very nice compliment. Nice pink center in there too. Absolutely the way it should be. It is almost too tough to put this fork and knife down. This thing is so good. Fries are perfect. Steak is good. I am not going to keep you guys any longer. I'm going to enjoy this while it's nice and hot, and I will give you my review of this place at the end, and then I will show you where this little steakhouse is located right on the Boulevard. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, be sure to like it, but I will catch back up with you after I get all of this devoured. Oh man, that was absolutely delicious, but now I am absolutely stuffed. I had one loaf of rye bread, I had a Caesar side salad, the Aussie fries, and the steak, and I ate it all. 2 glasses of water and 2 Cokes, so I don't think I could possibly eat any more, even if I wanted to, or even if I tried. I would highly recommend coming here to the Outback Steakhouse right above Casino Royale. It's right on Las Vegas Boulevard, across the street from the Mirage. But thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. Until next time.